Every day, there is a growing need for energy, infrastructure, and human resources globally. The challenge has evolved from being who, what, or how these goals can be achieved. However, how best can these solutions be attained in a cost-effective, timely, and professional manner? Less Energy Services is an indigenous Nigerian company driven by technology in providing engineering, procurement, construction, installation, equipment maintenance, and training services to various sectors. Our rapid growth and profitability over the years have been direct results of our investment in innovation, professional and technical enhancement, and adaptability to all our markets. Our processes are run in line with international best practices, and we have been certified to ISO 9001:2015 QMS, ISO 45001:2018 OHSAS, and ISO 14001:2015. Our engineering design architects and technicians work closely with our clients to conceptualize, plan, and execute a wide range of construction projects with the aim of meeting global standards for the oil and gas industry. Our engineering design architects and technicians work closely with our clients to conceptualize, plan, and execute a wide range of construction projects with the aim of meeting the global standards for the oil and gas marine industries. With our state-of-the-art facilities situated in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, we are focused on providing a wide range of maintenance solutions which include valve maintenance and repairs for OEMs, calibration services, hydro testing, and parts replacement. Less Energy Services represents a number of reputable original equipment manufacturers as their partner in Nigeria, and we have maintained a business relationship that goes beyond point of sale with our clients by providing after-sales services, which includes calibration services, routine maintenance, repairs, and replacements of spares and parts, technical consultancy for improved utilization and use of equipment, as well as training client representatives and end users. Our maintenance and training center is located at 160A NTA Road, Mgbogba, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Our fabrication yard is located at plot 180 NTA Road, Mgbogba, Port Harcourt. Welcome to Less Energy Services.